Good morning, everyone. So, first day of this second half of the semester, and I would like to give you some advice to adjust your study habit when you are doing an online class. So, the first number one is to stay organized, and that's very important for you to set up your week or at least your day a day before, saying okay, tomorrow I'm going to do this and this and this, as much as possible, because obviously you may end up to have kids to take care of or some people around, and so you will have to deal with that. But it's very important to keep having some sort of a routine, and to let you know, by example, me, when I wake up in the morning, I decided to do an hour of workout. Much more difficult to work out home than doing at the gym at the Vincent's University, but I decided to do that before to have to continue the rest of my day. So please try to also remember to stay active, and beginning the day by doing some sort of workout or some sort of activity, or even for 5 or 10 minutes, just to wake up your body, will be a good thing. Stay organized by creating some sort of a calendar for your week and for your day. Second point, very important, is to check your email and your Blackboard announcement every day, and I would say several times a day for each of your classes. Regarding my classes, I will post a lot of things pretty much every day. So please look at it, especially when I will announce the Zoom session, especially when I will announce the office hours. That's very, very important. Obviously, do not procrastinate. And so you need to do your assignment. You have received several information on the note, on the ritual quizzes that you have to do every week. I'll give you until the Sunday. I didn't want to give you some sort of a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by example. You need to do this and this, because I do not know exactly how you are going to be able to deal with studying home. So I gave you a gap of a range of a week to do it. But every Sunday, your ritual quizzes should be done. Your note for the week should have been posted. Note that you have taken by looking at your book and following the corner note-taking system that we talked about several times. If you have any question, you can always shoot me an email and I will answer them, but I will try also to make a video for that. So number 4, on the point that you need to follow, and this point have been published on Facebook as well, but on the point number 4 would be set a schedule. Try to maintain your class schedule. That would be wonderful if you could do that. So if you are your class is at 10, well, try to maintain your class schedule. You were able to do it before, you should be able to do it, unless again you have to deal with new things and unexpected things at home. As much as possible, please try to do that. So try to maintain your class schedule. Go to your computer, log on Blackboard site at the same time your campus class met. That will be fantastic. Time management is crucial. You will need to be disciplined and intentional about sitting down to the computer and working on assignments. Use a planner, write down the schedule and due dates. Number 5, develop a steady space for you to work. Do not work in a place where you're not in a really steady. So if you're like me, I decided to be in my kitchen on my table, and I'm not going to show you because there is a lot of things going on the table with different computers, etc. But try to be in a space where that space is dedicated to your work, and that will help you to set up some sort of a good habit. Number 6 will be to focus on one thing at a time, 25 to 50 minute period, and then reward yourself 5 to 10 minute breaks. Remember that you cannot work no longer than 2 hours. Someone who is focused for 2 hours, after 2 hours, it's too much. So between 25 and 50 minutes, it's a good range. I would say 50 minutes will be excellent. Take some breaks. That's very important. But again, I think the break, if you start the day with a good 10-minute workout, whatever you want to do, jumping jack, whatever, it will be wonderful just to wake you up. And during the day also, make the most of the video lecture. There is a lot of video that I posted on YouTube before, to shoot me an email about a problem that you would like to check the answer. You don't know if you have something as being right or wrong. Check YouTube, because I've been posting a lot of things and you will find probably the answer before even to ask me. Otherwise, you can always shoot me the email and I will be glad to answer your question. Obviously, there is a big probability that I will answer your question by making a video about the problem you have, and so you will find the answer on YouTube on a specific folder that I will create a playlist for each of your classes, 102, 103, 107, 017 and 023. If you need help, email me and I will create a video to answer your questions. All right, so I think I pretty much gave you the 6 points. I'm just going to resume the 6 points. First, stay organized. Second, check your email and Blackboard announcement every day. Don't procrastinate. Set a schedule. Develop study space for you to work. Focus on one thing at a time. Make the most of the video lecture. And if you need help, don't forget to contact me. I wish you a very good day, and for another video.